Hi, the guys at Bofang sent me a two-way radio so that I show you how it looks. It's the UV-32. Look, everything comes in here. Everything that you need, it comes in here, and you won't need anything, right? And this is going to live in my car, right? Because I like going outdoors, and I want to keep this in case of emergency, to have it with me. It's beautiful. Let me show you. Oh wow! And this is really well made. As are all the products that Bofang has been making. This is the mid-tier. They have the UV5, which is very popular, and it's as rugged as this one. This is. I wish you could feel this, right? I want you to take a look at the craftsmanship, at how well it's made. It has like a feeling that is like made out of metal. It's really nice. I haven't installed the battery yet. I will put it there. It has a nice keyboard. The screen is big. And it comes with everything. What I love the most is that, of course, it comes with the radio that you can connect, so that you can connect the radio to your waist, and then you have this to talk, push to talk here, right? And then it has the connectors. What's good about the Bofang products is that once you buy this, anything Bofang, you can use these products with other Bofang radios, namely the 62 to 5. You can use them. This, it has Bluetooth, so you can program up to 1,000 frequencies on the app. So you can, it's really nice and programmable through the app, and that workflow is perfect, because then you don't have to do everything with these little dials right here. Like, you could do it on the app. Let me set it up real quick with the ion battery that will last for a long time, and it's really, wow, this is, you guys, I wish you could feel this, the truth, right? I wish you could feel this. So you put this here, and then you need to screw it. It has a screw in the back, in the bottom. So to set it up, you put the battery there, you set it up, it comes with the battery. So I'm just showing you everything that comes in the box. This is to connect it to your computer. You can connect with this USB, and then it comes with two antennas. This really long, it's almost a foot long antenna. Let me open it. You can get it, you can scan through everything, right? But the good thing is that you can get AM, FM radio. You can get the NOAA reports for weather. It's so versatile, the things that you can do with it. And the thing about doing two-way radio is that for a lot of people it's addictive. It's a nice fun thing to do. You talk to people, you make friends. It's really cool. Another antenna. So I'm just showing everything that comes in there. So little antenna, long antenna, another antenna that is a little smaller. This is the charging port for charging the battery, and it comes with the USB-C dongle, so that you can connect it here, right? And then you can put the battery connected right there with the radio. But this is how you charge the battery, right? I'm just showing everything that comes in there. And then this is the holster, so that you can like clip it on. So this is how it looks when everything is put together. Let's turn it on. The screen is really big. You see? It comes with this so that you can, right? You can use this as well. So this is the way I like it. This clip and this cage comes included, right? So it's really nice that you can just clip it on. But of course, if you're not wearing this, right? If you're not wearing it like that, right? With the it comes up real easily, right? So this is the way it is. That's the clip, right? You put it here. And looks really good, man. Let's put an antenna here. So we got that's for the look. Right? You can do it with this little antenna. There you go. So now it's set up. You got the nice medium long antenna. It has a longer one. I mean, this is really long. Right? Much longer, almost than the radio. This is more practical, right? And then you have it. This is the whole setup. And I want to thank the guys at Bofang for sending this so that you can take a look at the workmanship, at how it looks, what comes in the box, and what you're going to get once you get into this world. Super, super recommended.